Hi, this is Mick Young. Welcome back to Easiest Guitar. Now today I'm going to be talking to you about why I believe learning the chords when you first start playing the guitar is not the best way to go. So the first reason is that chords are not the easiest thing to play on the guitar. Most people believe that they are, and most guitar teachers will even tell you that you've got to learn the chords first. But it's really not the case. You know, you're using 2, 3, sometimes even 4 fingers on the guitar when you haven't even really learned to play with one finger properly yet. So it's really jumping ahead. Chords, in a way, is kind of an advanced thing to be doing on the guitar. So that's the first thing, they're not the easiest thing to play. The second point is that they're not the best sounding thing to be playing on the guitar when you first get started. It's really important when you first start learning an instrument that you start to be able to make sounds and play tunes that you like the sound of, that you can hear back and start to get positive feedback and really enjoy what you're doing. And when you start with the chords, they're quite difficult to play, and it can take quite a while before you can even get a decent sound out of one chord. The last point is that it can just take so long before you can actually play something that sounds like a real song on the guitar. Because, you know, not only do you have to learn, you know, one chord shape, and then, you know, the next chord shape, for example, there I'm just showing you a C and a G chord and then a D chord, very common open chords that people learn when they start playing. Not only do you have to learn each one of those chord shapes and be able to get a nice clear sound out of each one, but you've also then got to learn to be able to change between them very quickly. So that's the left hand. Then on top of that, on the right hand, you've got to be able to strum in time and make a nice rhythm so that it's all sounding like a real song. And there's just so much going on when you're learning chords, and that's why I say it's not the best place to start. It was really this discovery about chords and how much adult beginners struggle with chords that led me to develop the Easiest Guitar method in the first place. So that's it for today's video. Please subscribe and feel free to leave a comment in the comments section if you'd like me to cover something in a future video. And if you'd like to give the Easiest Guitar method a test run, please click on the link below, and I look forward to seeing you in a future video. Take care.